people, today I have a review on Formless Beauty. This is kind of a indie brand by Jenny McCartney. They were nice enough to send me some PR products to try. I will have little demos here to the side, as well as give you my thoughts on the price points, the brand itself, the formulations, but let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I'm gonna start off with is the mascara. The mascara is pretty pricey. This is $42. I have to say it's just an okay mascara. It's actually what I have on my lashes today. I did do quite a few coats to be able to get it up to the length that it is. It's an okay mascara. It's not like a wowing mascara, and I do feel like it's overpriced for what it is. It is pretty heavy. Like, it seems like it has quite a bit in here. But overall, I do like the wand. I just feel like this to me should be priced around, like, I don't know, maybe $20, $21. A lot of the brands that I love have mascaras that are around $27, $29. I think the max that I've ever paid for a mascara is like maybe $30. So I feel like 42 is kind of a stretch there. I do understand that when you're starting off a brand, it is pretty pricey to start it off from the ground, especially if it's an indie brand. That's why a lot of indie brands can be pricier than a lot of major brands, because they're, you know, making it in very big bulk, so it's easier for them to have higher quality at a more affordable, not like affordable for high-end prices. But yeah, so those are my thoughts on the mascara. If you guys see on the demo, it works nicely. It's nice. It's just not a wowing factor for me. Next, we have a quad. I have to say, this quad is really cute. It just says Formless Beauty. It says the Bronze Beauty palette here on the back. And everything from their brand, I asked them, is made here in the US. This little quad here is really cute. I like the colors because of the fact that you have kind of like these two satin mattes and two shimmers, and I will be putting the demo here around here to the side of the look that I have on my eyes today. It was using this quad as well. Let me go ahead and just do some finger swatches so you guys can see the 4 shades. I have to say, the formulation on here is absolutely beautiful. These velvety soft satin matte kind of formulas are so blendable. They're very creamy. They just blend like a dream. They just like all blend together really nicely. So it's kind of really friendly for anybody who is a beginner or somebody who just wants to do their makeup in a hurry, don't have much time. This is kind of like a perfect beginner quad for anybody. Or if you're just somebody who does very neutral makeup, you're not into like a lot of color, this is going to be perfect for you. And like I said, the formula is really nice. One of these broke because at one point I kind of tipped this over too much. And these are magnetic, but I'm not sure how strong the magnet is because the whole thing fell. Thankfully, only one of them, this dark one, broke, but the rest of them didn't. So that is just something to watch out for. That being said, let's go ahead, and the quad is $39, which isn't too bad. I would like to see, and this is just like a honest critique of the product, I would like to see the packaging just become a little bit more luxurious looking. A lot of brands use carton, which isn't bad. It's very just simple, you know, just black, formless, and then the logo, you know, like the explanation on the back. But I would like to see just a little oomph, like a little bit more of a jump as far as the packaging goes. I know this is like I said previously, an indie brand, something that's new, that's up and coming, but I would like to see kind of like maybe like these Ciate Londons. They're hardcover, and when you open it up, you have a nice little mirror. It kind of gives a little bit more oomph to the brand. It makes it look a little bit more luxurious. I will have to say, like, these are made in China and these are made in the US, so that's going to be a big difference because of the fact that if it's in China, it's going to be usually a little bit more affordable to make compared to here in the US. So her wanting her products to be made here in the US is probably another reason that these are a little bit more pricier and that the packaging is a little bit more simple. But that's just something in the long run that I would like to see a little bit more of a, you know, a little more oomph to the packaging, but it is really nice, just simple. I will have to say, I'm not sure, even though this would be a perfect quad to travel with, I would be scared of it breaking because of the carton and it's not like super strong. Another thing is, like I said, they did fall out, so that's just something to watch out for. The last product is the Formless Beauty Lip Gloss. These are $26 each. She does have a variety of different shades available. The one that they sent me is Bliss. I don't feel like the price point is too much for this. This is a kind of normal price point for glosses, more or less. And they are super, super glittery. You will see here in the demo when I apply it on that it does give like a gorgeous, like just gorgeous glitter to the lips. The doe foot applicator is just a flat little doe foot applicator, really easy to apply. The only thing with this, I will say, is that even though it's absolutely beautiful, if you're somebody who doesn't like feeling the glitter, you probably won't like this. This, when you like rub your lips together, it feels gritty, like you can feel the glitter in there. To me personally, I don't mind. I don't really care. I'm not someone who's gonna be like doing that all day, but I do feel like this is very, very beautiful. I love the glitter aspect of this. I just feel like it's gonna really make any look pop. It just makes your lips pop. Let me see if I have my little, where's my little, oh, there it is. I do use this little cheap thing from Shein. You can find them in Shein, Temu. And what I do is sometimes, like if I want to apply a lip gloss without damaging the lip gloss, I'll use this. This is a little silicone. And if you're wearing a color and don't want to damage the lip gloss with the color, you can use this. But I'm just gonna apply some of this on top. It doesn't look as sparkly on top. Let me apply a little bit more. So it gives a little bit of sparkle. I feel like by itself it looks more gorgeous and sparkly and glittery, as you can see in the demo. And that is it for my review on these. Let me know your thoughts down below. Is this something that you're going to be trying out? I know that this is kind of like a startup brand, but I hope to see more of her bringing in, especially like her 90s trends that she used to use from Jenny McCartney into her brand. I'd love to see a lot of those 90s lips, lip liners and such. But so far I feel like the things that she has on her website are very, you know, kind of like easy for a lot of people to use because they're really, you know, like a neutral palette. Anybody and everyone can use this. And like I said, the formula on here is absolutely amazing. It just blends seamlessly, really just easy peasy, really great formula. Again, I really enjoy the lip gloss. The only thing to me that is just okay and a little overpriced is the mascara, but overall I feel like she's off to a great start. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you've tried this brand, if you're curious about it, what are your thoughts on it? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? I'd love to hear from you guys. My Instagram and TikTok are down below if you guys want to follow me over there. And I also would love to have you subscribe if you're new around here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.